Problem number 5, Marcus has different songs in his music collection, and the number of songs n as a function of time t, given in months, is given by n of t is 15t plus 200. And you need to answer those 3 questions here. So how many songs will he own in a year? And you want to interpret the y-intercept and interpret the slope. So the interpretations should be a sentence that does not include mathematical terminology. It should be something that a random person on the street would understand. Okay, so I don't want anything to do with, well, if you go forward by 1, you go up by 3, or anything like that, or delta y over del is 3 and delta x or delta t is 5. Okay, nothing like that. Okay, so I want a sentence that someone would understand that has not taken this course. So try to answer A, B, and C. Pause the video and come back. So A, how many songs would he own in a year? So okay, so do we have to calculate n of 1, like 1 year? Well, actually be careful here because t is in months. So a year is 12 months, so it's n of 12 that we need to calculate here, right? Because he increases the number of songs he has, like by well, actually we don't know that yet, but we will. He increases by 15, right, per year. If you think about the graph of this function, it starts at 200, and then every month, did I say year? Every month, okay, it goes up by 15. So he's increasing the amount of songs in his collection by 15 per month. So it's going to be 15 times 12 after a year plus 200, and that's going to give us a number of songs. So we calculate this, we get 380 songs. Okay, interpret the y-intercept. Now the y-intercept, that is the y-coordinate of the y-intercept. So we want to give an interpretation to that 200. Well, this is initially what he has in his collection, right? Because the number of songs goes up as the number of months go by, but initially he has 200 songs. That's n of 0. So we can just write that. Initially, he has 200 songs in his collection. So you see there's no mathematical terminology here. So you're using the words that are part of this problem, right? We're talking about songs and collection and months, so it should involve those words, okay? And only those. Interpret the slope. So slope is, okay, if you go forward by 1, you go up by 15, but okay, here what does it mean? Let's look at the units. If we go forward by 1, that's 1 month. You go up by 15 songs. Okay, so that should help you looking at the units. It's songs per month. So that should tell you what the interpretation is. Each month collection is increasing by 15 songs. So every month he adds 15 songs to his collections.